Hello everyone. Well, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a craft bucket server. But this also works with well, it kind of works, kind of doesn't. It's just mainly craft bucket. But anyways, go to your favorite internet favorite search. What is it called? I don't know. Favorite internet provider service thingy. I don't know. Type in Bukkit. Just Bukkit. Go to Bukkit forums. Wait, no. Not good. Bukkit wiki. Type in Bukkit wiki. This thing is like stupid. Bukkit wiki. Then go to main page Bukkit wiki. Now, once it loads up, just scroll down. Load. My internet's being stupidly slow. It's annoying. So scroll down, and you'll find Craft Bucket recommended build. This is for 1.8.1. If you want it for 1.0, just do development snapshot, and that's for 1.0. If you want to run your server on 1.0, Minecraft 1.0. Okay, so now you're make a folder, call it bucket. I don't know, just make a new folder, and you will not have any of these things. You'll just have craft bucket. So you have craft bucket, and that's it, and it's just in a folder, and you're off to a good start. Now, what you want to do is you're gonna want to copy and paste this from the description. This is the command to start. Wait, no. Wait a second. I'm going back on that. You will have craft bucket like snapshot whatever. Rename it. And then just delete everything after craft bucket and then just leave it and then you'll be alright. And then alright, so don't be like, whoa, why does that not look like Notepad? It's just a special program to organize things better. Anyways, so this is the command, and then you're gonna wanna save file, save as, start dot bat, and then do batch file, bat, cmd, whatever. Just do batch file. Make sure the .bat is in there because it's important, and then save it to that bucket folder. Make sure you pasted this in and then saved it. And oh, wait, no, I'm getting ahead of myself. So if you have, this is the command for 64-bit. I'm a 64-bit. To check if you're 64 or 32-bit, go up to computer, right click properties, scroll down, and it should say system type 64-bit operating system, and that's what I am. Now, if you're 64-bit, I'll put this code in the description. If you're 32-bit, I'll put another code in the description, and if you're 32, paste it in, then save it as a .bat file. But yeah, I hope you got all of that, because I kind of just like rambled on about random stuff at random times. I'm sorry. Oh my god, what's going on? Why can't I click on anything? What's going on? No. No. This is no good. There we go. Alright, I'm at 4 minutes. So, can I like minimize this? Make it small. Anyways, so then what you do is start, and it should load up. And then when it says done, you won't have any of this because it should like say spawn area or like loading spawn or whatever. And then when it says done, just exit out, and then you should get all these folders, or most of them, or a lot of them. And then what you do is go to server, and then for the main things here that you're going to be looking at is server port and server IP. And for the server IP, just type in, go to the start menu, type in CMD, and then, click on CMD, obviously. Then type in IP, CONFIG, which is IP config. So it's IP configuration. And scroll all the way to the top. 3 down, it says IPv4 address. Then what you're going to do is copy this. Just you don't need to copy it. Just type in 192.168.1.102. Put that in here where it says server IP, and leave the server port at 25565. That is the main one which Minecraft uses, and just leave it on that. Don't change it or anything. And then yeah, once you're there, that's pretty much it. Mainly, once you've done that, just save it, and then you can start up the server. It'll load and everything's good. Just the only problem with that is people cannot connect to you. And so I don't have time right now to explain how to IP port forward, but I will be making a step 2, part 2 of this video, of this little process here of how to get people to join without using Hamachi, because Hamachi is just stupid. It's just stupid, and it's a pain. I don't know, I just don't like it. But so look at part 2 if you're done with all of this and you just want to get people on the server right now, then just go to part 2. But for now, on part 1, the rest of the time I'm going to explain what all of this is. Now, banned IPs, banned players, OPs, stuff like that. Those 3 things. You don't whitelist, you don't need a whitelist. Well, I don't use a whitelist, but you can have a whitelist. What a whitelist is if you type in people's names in here, they will be allowed on your server. But that will only work if you go to server and go to whitelist and set it at true. But I don't want a whitelist because I don't like whitelist. But it's all true or false if you want any of this type, true or false. But then save it, and then you'll have a whitelist. But if banned players, banned IPs, you can unban people, you can OP people, which means operator. You can do all of that in-game commands, so you don't really need to write it. But what a plugin is just all of these are they're just things to make your server better. The main ones you should have is essentials, which is the biggest thing. You pretty much need that, or your server's just stupid. Unless you're just playing with your friend and you just want to make stuff. But essentials, group manager, permissions EX, world edit, and world guard. Those are the main ones. You can search all of those on go to bukkit.org. Go to bukkit.org and then go to get plugins or whatever, search plugins or get plugins. I don't know what it says. Forget. It might be get plugins, but anyways, it's up on the tabs. And then there's title, search, world edit. Make sure you're on the all. Make sure you're on all, or else you'll just never mind. But anyways, world editing, degriefing. Click on that, and then it should come up with a download. Download it. You can figure that out. Just download it. Then what you want to do, download to your desktop. So say it's on your desktop, which a good example, I have this right here. This is essentials. This is a good one too. It will be in you need WinRAR. It'll be in a folder like that. And oh geez, then just drag it and then extract here. But I have to go see part 2, and then I'll explain the port forwarding.